for goodness sake, I'm done with this revision. Honestly, I'm not going to lie, it has been a boring one actually, because there were days that I couldn't even do anything. I mean, like literally nothing. If you can see right here, okay, from the 28, 29, 30, 30 up to 44 days, like, yo, no lesson. It was Thursday, that was day 38. That's when I was doing some revision, but that one too, I couldn't complete what I was going to do. It got boring, like very, very boring. That's when I realized that if you are doing something consistently for days and something came across you and you happen to kind of pause and stop doing that thing for a few days, it's likely for you not to continue with that consistency streak. Okay, so that's what's happened to me. I wasn't able to flow with that consistency. Y'all can remember, or y'all can attest to the fact, or even if you are new to this channel, you can go back and check that. And you will say that when I started this challenge, 120 days profitability challenge, almost every blessed day you will see a video of me on a channel. But it got to a point I've not been doing that, just because I had a change in environment and a few other things came out, other responsibilities show up, and I have to like engage in other stuff, and that actually made me to lag in my consistency. So that particular thing affected me up to date. But like I just said right now, for goodness sake, I'm done with this revision, and now the next thing that I'll do is to focus on studying the lessons ahead of me in this SMC part of the lesson as far as my 120 days profitability challenge is concerned. Today is Sunday and it's day 48, and the day is fast approaching. It's 120 days and today is day 48, meaning I have a few days to go, and if I do not take time, this may not end the way I want it to end. So I think a lot is going to be required from me henceforth, more than usual. Time is currently not on my side. That's the truth. Time is currently not on my side. If I were to be able to utilize the days that I've missed, honestly, I would have gone far by now. Because looking at the lesson that I'm supposed to learn, they are not that much of, I don't know how to put it. They are not that much of a lesson that would take me more like hours to learn. But a lot of things came up and I couldn't do that. And you can see how my PC is doing right now. It's messing up. And honestly, I think I'll need a new laptop one of these days to even consider, because when I on my laptop, this is how it shows up. Like, it's an old laptop. It's tired actually. I think I need to get a new one. Yeah, anytime soon. I don't know when, but I need to get a new one before I even finish this 120 days profitability challenge, right? So guys, that's going to be it for this video. My name is Godsway, and if you are new to this channel and to this challenge, actually I'm on a journey to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. Actually, I don't know how possible that is going to be, but I'm documenting every aspect of this journey right here on this YouTube channel, the ups and downs, so that everybody can see how it is, the wrong side of it, the good side of it, and maybe one day somebody can take a bullet for me that this is how I started this challenge and this is how it's going. Now I have a problem over here. I think I need to think about this and see how I'll face it. So with that said, kindly hit that subscribe button and become part of this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Godsway once again. Bye.